What's up, people? Welcome to today's session. How are you guys doing? Welcome back. I hope every one of you guys are doing good, taking care of yourselves, and I would like to wish you all a belated happy Independence Day. I was not able to come on Sunday and wish you guys, so here it is, belated happy Independence Day as well. So, people, good news for all the 10th standard students out there. This is going to be the last session of light, which means that we will be starting off with the one shot series after this. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys, because we have one shot series coming up where we'll be revising the entire chapter and we'll also be solving some quiz questions as well, right? So today, guys, we'll be doing some numericals on lenses. We have already seen the lens formula. We have pretty much understood all the theory part that we need to understand from this chapter. All that is left to do is some numericals. And today I have some amazing questions for you people. And these questions have been chosen from previous year question board exams. And apart from that, even, questions apart from outside as well. Some exemplar questions, same type, but not exactly the same numerical though. So exemplar, the questions that you have in the back of the textbook, your board exams, pretty much is a combination of everything. So trust me, guys, these questions are going to help you in the preparations for your boards. So make sure you try these questions out to the fullest extent. Whatever the question is, give your best shot. First of all, I would like to start off by saying this. For every numerical, write down the given data first, write down the formula, and then substitute the values, guys. Because even if you get the final answer wrong, you'll still get some good you'll still end up getting some marks for your numericals. Now again, that does not apply for your term 1 examination, because you guys know it's basically MCQ based questions. So it works at least for your PTs and all that. That is your periodic test and unit test and all that. It'll definitely work, right? So anyways, with all of that said, my name is Anoop. A very warm welcome to all of you guys to Vedantu 9th and 10th English channel. Now before I go to the questions and start solving them, and I start taking your help for solving those questions as well, we will quickly go through some of the major updates that I want to provide you people. The first thing is this, guys, that we have the Telegram channel open for Vedantu 9th and 10th English channel. So make sure that you're a part of it, because if you are a part of it, guys, you can connect with your master teachers, all of the amazing teachers. You can get in touch with them. You get the regular schedules of all the sessions that's going to happen in that particular week on and that particular day, and you'll also be getting the faster updates of everything that happens new on the Vedantu 9th and 10th English channel, right? So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you also are a part of the Telegram channel as well. Now apart from that, guys, we also have the pro exclusive micro course where you guys can study with me on the Vedantu platform. We have 2 topics going on currently. One is be a pro in lens bro and master electricity like never before. So these are the 2 concepts that I am teaching right now on the Vedantu platform. And if you enroll for the pro subscription course, you guys can enroll into pro exclusive course for free. All right. Now, apart from that, we also have the Mega Volt people. Yeah, I'm sure you guys are excited for this, because this is an amazing news for you people. So 14th of August was the first exam, that happened that's pretty much last week. But we have another exam coming up pretty soon for Megavolt. And yes, guys, all you have to do is register using this link vdnt.in/Megavolt, and you stand a chance to win Amazon coupon worth 17,500. That's a lot of money, guys. You can buy pretty much whatever you want, maybe a laptop, maybe a computer, or something else that you want. Whatever you have dreamt of in that price range, you guys can buy that, right? So all you have to do is register for that. It's completely free. It's absolutely free. You guys can take up that. And if you qualify with good marks, you guys will also be enrolled for free or at a certain, scholarship price for the, Olympiad sessions, like your NTSE preparations, Olympiad preparations. You'll be enrolling for that as well. Yeah. Apart from that, guys, we also have some exciting news. More than 128, to be more precise, about 139 selections have been made for NTSE Stage 1. from across 17 states, which is the highest in any institute, guys. And you guys know how important NTSE is. You get a chance to win a scholarship for the rest of your life. That is till you not rest of the life, but yeah, until you're studying, until your post graduations also, you'll be getting scholarships, and also you get that pride of being called as an NTSE scholar. Now, at Vedantu, we have been offering sessions for that as well. You have sessions on mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, mental ability test, as well as social studies. So what are you waiting for? So how do you enroll into the course is quite simple. I'll tell you that in a minute, but 60 plus live hours, 50 plus chapter wise tests, 14 plus mock tests. You'll also be taught all of these live, and you can watch the recordings of those live sessions anytime, anywhere you want. You can ask unlimited number of doubts with the Vedantu app, as well as inside the session with the help of the class teacher. You'll have in-depth solutions of all the question papers. You will be getting a detailed analysis of all the NTSE papers, and you can also get the summary notes of all the topics. Okay, guys. So all you have to do is, guys, use this coupon code AME Pro to enroll into the course. Let me quickly show you how to do that. So this is one of the videos that came out very recently, Light Chapter 11. So what you have to do is, guys, go to subscribe to Vedantu courses right now. So click on this link. It'll take you to that link. Unfortunately, I think it's been open for a long time now. Let me just refresh the page quickly. One sec. All right, there it is. Ads. All right. So yeah, go to subscribe to Vedantu courses right now. Click on this link and it will take you to Vedantu's page. Now here you can choose what grade, what type of syllabus, what are you looking for exactly. So let's say you are looking for NTSE crash course. Click on NTSE and you guys will get two different plans at Vedantu. Now again, guys, the quality of education in no way is compromised in whichever plans you take, but the only thing is that there are a few features that might be more in a certain feature, and in certain the features might not be as much. So you get all the live interactive sessions, you get the test series and analysis, you'll get the assignments as well. You'll also be getting doubt solving inside the session in both the plans, be it Vedantu Pro Lite or Vedantu Pro Classic. You'll be getting doubt solving in both of them. But the only difference is that in Vedantu Lite, you cannot ask doubts on the Vedantu app. The Vedantu app that is there, you might not be able to access that. But Vedantu Classic can access that as well. So basically the price might also be a little different. The price for Lite is 4,050 rupees, and that is after discount. After discount, it's 4,050 rupees. And for Vedantu Classic, it's around 5,000 rupees. But then after discount, it'll come down to 4,500. Right, guys, and again, if it's too much, you can always always make sure that you guys think about the pros and cons about what you're getting out of it. Because guys, if you qualify for for NTSE stage 1 and stage 2 as well, if you clear the stage 2 as well, you're getting a scholarship until your post graduation. So it is an amazing opportunity for all of you guys out there who are looking for something more extra, and that is something which can be added to your resume as well. And we have some amazing teachers who's going to be teaching you. We have Kritika ma'am, who's from Punjab University. She has passed out from her MSc with honors. We have Shivam Gupta sir, who's from IISc, one of the premier institutes in India and in the world. You will be getting to study with those kind of teachers. Anjali ma'am, who will be teaching you chemistry. Such amazing faculty is what you have, and for such a low price, right guys? So all of the details would be there in the description. You can check it out for yourself. Now let's start with the quiz time, right? Because I know you've been waiting for this one. So guys, we'll try to solve all these questions in the least amount of time possible. All right, now I'll give you guys about 1 minute to read the question and try to solve it. But if you guys need more time, please pause the video and start solving it by yourself. In fact, I want you guys to pause the video for every question and solve it by yourself. It's very, very important. So here's the question. A candle is placed 25 centimeters from a lens, forms an image on the screen placed at 75 meters on the other side of the lens. The focal length and the type of lens should be, options are 18.75 and it's a convex lens, minus 18.75 and it's a concave lens, 20.25 and it's a convex lens, or minus 20.25 and it's a convex lens, concave lens. Let's try to do this, guys. Now, like I told you people, every question that you get, the first thing you're supposed to write is what is the given data. Let me just use a different color. I'll use yellow, dirty fellow. So here we have given, right? So first thing, guys, write on the given data. The candle is placed at 25 centimeter from the lens. What does that mean? So if I have a lens, be it concave or convex, it really doesn't matter. Here I'm just giving you an example, right? So I have a candle which is placed at 25 centimeter in front of the lens, right? So that means that according to the sign convention, you will be equal to minus 25 centimeter. It's very important that you guys are clear with the sign convention, guys. I've already sent out a video for that. It is already out there, so check it out. Super helpful, and trust me, you'll find it much more easier to remember then. All right, now the second thing you must remember is that the image is formed 75 centimeters on the other side of the lens. So that means that V is equal to plus 75 centimeter, because any distance behind the lens is taken as positive. So that is, or in the along the direction of the incident ray is taken as positive. So this is going to be plus 75 centimeter. Now use your lens formula. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Substitute the values there. So 1 by 75 minus 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by F. So you can cross multiply basically. So that's plus 25 minus 75 divided by 75 into 25. So if you simplify this and find the reciprocal of this, guys. So if you simplify this, you'll get it as something around, I think, yeah. So if you simplify this, you'll get it as 75 divided by 4. That is, if you, simplify it further. So that is basically F, reciprocating the values. So if you do the calculation, you'll find it. I'm guessing that you guys can do multiplication and division. So it's going to be 75 by 4, which if you simplify further, you'll get it as something around 18.85, right? And here it is plus 18.75, not 85, which means that it is basically what? A convex lens. Not concave, convex, right? Because it is positive, right? So if focal length which is positive is going to be convex, focal length which is negative is going to be concave. Simple as that, right? Easy question, no? I know it's a little bit when it comes to the calculation, it might be a little hard, but yes, guys, it's quite simple. Now, again, you can do it this way, or you can basically do it even more simpler by basically finding out the LCM in this manner. That is 25 into 3 is 75. So you can write it as 1 by 75 minus 3 by 75. So basically you can write it as what? One second. I think I made some mistake over here. Wait a second. Sorry guys. This is minus of minus. No, minus of minus 25, right? So it'll become plus 25, right? So let me just show the calculation as well, so that I know it, so that I don't give you guys more confusions in life. I know that it's already too much for you people. So let me just do this calculation one more time. Try to simplify it a little bit more so that you guys can find it much more easier, right? So you have 1 by 75, that is your image distance. Minus of minus 25 is your object distance. So now simplify it even more further. So again, guys, into 3. So that's 1 plus 3 divided by 75, which is equal to F. So F, reciprocal of that would be what? 75 divided by 4, which you simplify, you'll get us 18.75 meters. That would be your centimeters, sorry, not centimeters. Centimeters would be your focal length. And because it's plus, it's going to be a convex lens. Right? Simple. Now, I'm not going to be showing all these detailed calculations in the future. This thing also, all the other questions. I'll try to go a little fast when it comes to the calculation, because I'm sure you guys are in 10th standard. You must be able to do the calculations by yourself. So here's another one. An object is placed at 8 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. At what point will we get a diminished real image? Options are at 20 centimeter, beyond 20 centimeter, between F and 2F, or at 10 centimeter. Let's try to solve this question very quickly, guys. Once again, write on the given data first. That is the first step that you're supposed to do. The object is placed at 8 centimeter. So U is going to be minus 8 centimeter. Object distance will always be negative because we are always keeping the object on the left hand side, right? So it's going to be minus 8 centimeter. Convex lens has a focal length of 10 centimeter. Now it's a convex lens, which means that the focal length is going to be positive, right? Now find out where you're going to get a diminished and a real image, right? Now guys, use your lens formula once again. 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. 1 by v minus 1 by minus 8 is equal to 1 by 10. Take this to the other side. So this minus into minus becomes plus. So I can write this as what? I can write this as 1 by v plus 1 by 8. Now when I take that to the other side, I'll get as 1 by v is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 8. If you do the rest of the calculation, guys, again, if you want me to show it, I'll just quickly, let me just do it very simply into 8 into 10. So how much was that? 8 minus 10 divided by 80. So that's minus 2 divided by 80. So basically 80 divided by minus 2 would be your v, because that's 1 by v. So when you reciprocate that, it will be 80 by 2, which is nothing but what? Minus 40 centimeter. That means that the image formed is going to be on the same side as that of the object. Now, think about it, guys. In your ray diagrams also, you know that when the object is placed between the focus and the pole, the image is going to be virtual. Look at this. The object distance is 8 centimeter. The focal length is 10 centimeter. That means that the object is kept between the focus and the pole. So if you cross verify also, you'll get that is the right answer. So the right answer would be beyond 20 centimeter, because you found out the distance is 40 centimeter, right? So the object is going to be formed beyond the 20 centimeter mark. Right? So that is basically the answer for the second question as well. Moving on to the third one. Now, I'm guessing that you guys are doing it with me, guys. Don't just sit there and watch, because it's a numerical at the end of the day. And I want to, make it all hunky funky and all that. But unfortunately, I can't, because it's a numerical. It's basically mathematics and you guys have to solve it. Here's another one. An object is placed at a distance of 5 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Then what would the image distance be? Is it minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, or minus 40? Once again, guys, let's quickly try to solve this one as well. So first of all, given data, what is given to you guys? Object distance is going to be minus 5 centimeter. It's a convex lens. Focal length is going to be plus 10 centimeters. So it's going to be plus 10 centimeter. Find where the image is going to be. 1 by v minus 1 by minus 5 is equal to 1 by 10, right? Because you know the formula. So this will be plus, minus into minus will become plus. Let me just quickly show that. Minus into minus will become plus. So that is much more easier for you to calculate, right? So take this to the other side. What do you get? 1 by v is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 5 into 2 into 2. So that's 1 minus 2 divided by 10. That's going to be minus 1 by 10. So v, which is reciprocal, this is 1 by v. So v is equal to 10 divided by minus 1, which is nothing but v is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Simple, right? So that is the answer, guys. So the image is going to be formed in front of the object, or like basically on the same side as the object. So basically it's a virtual image. Simple. Awesome, right? Another easy question, people. I know the questions are quite easy, but as it goes on, it's going to get a little bit more harder. Moving on to the fourth question, guys. Here's another one. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter forms an image of 10 centimeter from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? Right, let's try to solve this one. Options are u is minus 60 centimeter, u is minus 20 centimeter, u is minus 15 centimeter, or u is minus 30 centimeter. Let's try to do this. All right, so first of all, write down the given data once again, people. So you have a concave lens. Focal length is given as 15 centimeter. Since it's a concave lens, the focal length is going to be minus 15 centimeter. What else is given to you guys? They've also given you the image distance. And remember, guys, in a concave lens, remember, wait, it's always going to be virtual, always erect, and always diminished. So what is the image distance? V. Image distance V will also be equal to minus 10 centimeter. Because it's a concave lens, no, always you'll get a virtual image. So find out the object distance. Once again, the formula 1 by minus 10 minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by minus 15. So take this to the other side and take this to the other side. So 1 by minus 10 is plus 1 by minus 15. 1 by 15. Sorry, that'll be 1 by 15. Mistakes. Good boy. 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by u. So cross multiply if you have to, or just find out the LCM. So that you can multiply this with 10, you can multiply this with 15. So that'll be minus 15 plus 10 divided by 150 is equal to 1 by u. So u is equal to minus 5, this can be written as what? Minus 5 divided by 150. So you can write this as 150 divided by 5, right? So 5 3s are 15 and 0. So the answer would be minus 30 centimeters. So the object has to be kept at minus 30 centimeter or on the left hand side of the lens in order to get the image such a way that the image is formed at 10 centimeter, right? All right, next question, guys. I know, people. I know numericals are quite, I know it's a little dry, but what can we do? You have to prepare for your boards, and studies can't always be, why should girls have all the fun? It cannot be always like that. So you have to put in a little bit of effort in some cases. So here's another one. A 3 centimeter tall bulb is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from a diverging lens having a focal length of 10.5 centimeter. Determine the distance of the image. So yeah, it's a diverging lens. So that means it's a concave lens. Put on the given data, write down the answers. Options are V is equal to minus 6.88, V is equal to minus 7.65, V is equal to minus 15 centimeter, or V is equal to minus 12.5 centimeter. Now here though, I would definitely need your help. So what is given to you guys? First of all, the height of the object is given. So what is given? The height of the object. So HO is given as 3 centimeter. It's the height of the object, right? It's a 3 centimeter tall object. So we have the object distance given as minus 20 centimeter. Simple. It's from a diverging lens. That means that the focus is going to be minus 10.5 centimeter. You're supposed to find out what is the image distance. Once again, guys, this is just a distraction. Trust me, you're not going to use it. If in case they asked you for the magnification, then yes, you might have to, or let's say they have asked you what is the height of the image and find out the magnification. In that case, you probably would have needed this. But here in this situation, it is just a red herring. It's nothing but a distraction. So kindly ignore that and go ahead with the formula. So 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. 1 by V minus 1 by minus 20 is equal to 1 by minus 10.5. Take this to the other side. Again, minus into minus becomes plus. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by minus 10.5 minus 1 by 20, because this will become plus, right? This will become plus. So let me just erase that. This will become plus. So what do you have basically is this. So now find out the LCM. I believe you can just cross multiply over here. So that'll be what? This will be minus 20 plus 10.5 divided by 20 into 10.5. So if you simplify that, that will be how much? That will be minus 9.5, right? Minus 9.5 divided by my 20 into 10.5. So do the calculation, people. Decimal points, please do the calculation. So if you simplify it even more further, you will get something like this. Once again, guys, once again, I think I made a mistake. Oh yeah, it's not going to be minus, it's going to be, sorry, it's not going to be plus, it's going to be minus over here. All right, I did that mistake there. So yeah, it's not going to be minus, so it's going to be plus. So here you will get it as, sorry, it'll be minus 20 minus 10.5, so you'll get it as 30.5. And when you do the calculation over here, guys, 30.5 divided by, you'll get it as 210. 20 into 10.5 is 210. So reciprocate that. So U would be equal to 210 divided by 30.5, which would give you an answer of minus 6.88 centimeter. All right. Now I am no math genius. I have already done the calculations. That is why I am directly writing it. But I'm pretty sure you guys can do the calculation by yourself, and you'll get the answer as minus 6.88 centimeter. Guys, so that's another question right there. I hope you guys found this question helpful. Here's another one, the last question, after which I'll give you a homework question and then we are done. Here's another one. A convex lens forms an image of an object placed at 20 centimeter from it, at a distance of 20 centimeter on the other side of the lens as well. If the object moves 5 centimeter towards the lens, then the image will be 5 centimeter towards the lens, 5 centimeters away from the lens, 10 centimeters towards the lens, or 10 centimeters away from the lens. It's a beautiful question, guys. Trust me, it's an amazing question. Let's try to solve this one, all right? So yeah, what is given to you guys? The object is placed at 20 centimeter. So U is minus 20 centimeter. And when the object is placed at minus 20 centimeter, the image is also formed at 20 centimeter. And in what condition will that be? When the object is placed at 2f1, the image will be formed at 2f2, right? So image distance is also given as minus 20 centimeter. First of all, guys, using this data alone, find out the focal length. So 1 by v is 1 by minus 20. Minus 1 by minus 20 is equal to 1 by f. So 1 by minus 20 plus 1 by 20 is what you have, right? So you know the LCM is basically the same. So you can write this as what? Yeah, so you can write this as what? You can write this as, okay. Then we do some calculation mistake over here also. Give me a second, guys. This is minus 10. This is going to be plus 10, no? The image is found on the other side. So it's going to be plus 20. Ki baat hai, Anoop ji. Alright, so that's plus 1. So 2 by 20 is equal to 1 by f. So f is equal to 20 by 2, which is nothing but 10 centimeter. Simple as that. Alright, so you'll get the focal length as 10 centimeter. Now that you know the focal length, the question is, what if you move the object 5 centimeter towards the lens? So I'm going to erase this part out. I'm going to erase this one out so that I can do the rest of the calculations over here. So I'm just going to erase this. So guys, I am going to write what and all is for the second part of the question. The object distance is minus 15 centimeters now. Why? Because you're moving it 5 centimeter closer to the lens. No, so it's going to be minus 15 centimeter. The question is, what is going to be the image distance? Focal length of a mirror does not change, or of a lens does not change. So focal length is still going to be 10 centimeter itself. Find out, use the formula once again. 1 by v minus of minus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by 10. This will become plus. So you can put this as plus over here. Take that to the other side. So that'll become 1 by v. Let me erase this one as well in order to avoid confusion. Right, guys? So we have simplify the equation even more further. Yeah, so that's equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. So again, guys, you can find out the LCM or cross multiply. It's totally up to you guys. I'll just find out the LCM itself into 10. So that's basically 15 minus 10 whole divided by 150. So that's 5 by 150. So this is V is equal to what? 150 divided by 5, which is nothing but 30 centimeter, right? But here's the thing, guys. The question is, where will the image be formed? That is with respect to where the image was formed before. So that means that before the image was formed at 20 centimeter, after you move the object 5 centimeter closer, the new position, I'll call this as V1, the new position is 30 centimeter. So what is the difference in it? The image is basically, it is going closer by 10 centimeter. Sorry, it's going further. It is going away by 10 centimeter would be the answer. So the answer would be, guys, 10 centimeter away from the lens, because initially it was formed at 20 centimeter. Now that you move the object 5 more centimeters closer, the image is formed 10 centimeters behind. So it's forming at 30 centimeter, right? So the answer would be 10 centimeter away from the lens. All right, so that's all, people. I know that this is not a session that you guys wanted. Basically, I know that every one of you guys, majority of you guys out there hate doing numericals and stuff. But yes, guys, there's no way around it, and it's a very important part of it. You guys know the importance of MCQs right now, and in your MCQs, you don't even you don't even get a chance to show these steps. You only have the final answer. And yes, there will be numericals in MCQs. So kindly practice as many numericals as you can, both from your exemplars, from the previous year question papers, and also from the back of your textbook as well. Try to practice as many as you can. If you're able to do at least 2 numericals, the first week, start with 2 numericals, all right? 2 numericals on the first week. Slowly increase that to 3, then to 4, then to 5. Keep on increasing, that step by step, try to do it. If you were starting with 1 numerical a day also, that's fine. But please practice numericals. Super important. All right. Be it for mathematics or for physics, it's super duper important, guys. So make sure you practice it. So this is your final homework question. Try this question. Let me know in the comment section, how was today's question? Was it too easy? Was it too difficult? And also, let me know what is the answer for the homework question in the comment section, right? The question is this, guys: an object is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 8 centimeter. Find the nature of the image. They have given you the the focal length, they've given you the distance as well. It's a convex lens, so find out what is the nature of the image. Thanks a lot for joining, guys. Once again, about the Pro exclusive course, you guys can be a part of it. All you have to do is enroll into the Pro subscription course, which the link for it I've already showed you. And once you enroll into it, you can also enroll for these courses for free. Right, that's all for today. Thanks a lot for joining. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section how was the question. That is very, very important. If you guys want more practice questions, let me know that also in the comment section. Thanks a lot for joining, guys. Love you all and all the very best for your board exams. I'm hoping that you guys are giving your 100%, giving your best of the best, best foot forward, giving yourself the time and the space to not only practice but also to relax yourself a little so you don't stress yourself out, right? Take care of your health as well, guys, because exams are approaching. You can't fall sick right now, so please take care of your health. Thank you for joining. Catch you guys in the next session. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye. Take care of your loved ones as well. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye. See you all.